So this time we are going to make a wheel. This is a replica of the wheel that you will use in your car, for your car. So let's create a document. Click on Create, choose Document, call it Wheel, and make the document. We want to look at the front of, or the front face, so I'm going to go over to my cube, double click, and it brings it to face us. So we're going to make a sketch, click on Sketch, tell it where to sketch, click on Front, and the wheel is going to be a very thin disc, so we'll choose the Circle tool, center point circle, click, drag, click again, give this a dimension. I think the wheel's about 1.25 inches, so click on the outside of the wheel, drag out, 1.25, enter. The wheels are about 3 millimeters thick, so in order to give this some thickness, we're going to extrude, choose the depth, 3 millimeters, check, and if we use our arrow key, we should have made a little disc. Great. Now we need to put a hole through the wheel so the axle can go through, and these the axles are 3 millimeters, so we're going to make it just about exactly that. So we're going to say sketch. We're going to sketch on the wheel. Might want to zoom in. Let's pick the circle tool to make a cylindrical hole through the wheel, center point circle, and we bring cursor over. Notice it'll highlight when you're in the middle, and we do want this hole in the middle. Click, drag, and let's give that hole a dimension. Click on dimension, click on the outside of your soon-to-be hole, 3 millimeters, and check. And now we want to make this a hole through the disc. So extrude. I don't think I have this highlighted yet, so I'm gonna click on a center circle, say remove, click on blind and choose through all, and click on the check mark. We've got our little disc with a hole through it for the axle. That's it.